In this long quarantine, we are making something or the other daily, and today my daughter demanded she wants to have a drink. So here it is, I am making a virgin mojito. 5 minutes recipe, real nourishing, and definitely you can make it with the ingredients what you have it at your place. So without wasting time, here we have, I am going to use some mint, some lime. Here she likes apple flavor, so it's a green apple. Rather than using sugar, I'm going to use a bit of honey in this to give the sweetness. Again, to add a punch, I'm going to use a lime juice over here. The process is muddling process. Definitely we're going to muddle it. I have my glass over here. She loves this glass, so I'm making into this. And as I don't have a professional muddling stick, I have a wood stick over here, which I'm going to use it definitely. And here it's a slice of sweet lime. This is for the garnish, what I have it over here. So first, and at least I will be topping with this with soda water and some ice. So first I am going to take few sprigs of mint leaf. I am going to place into the glass. Along with that, I am going to take this lime piece. I am going to put it into glass, and then I'll be little bit muddling it so that I can take most of the flavor out of it. And muddling is real important, so that you really extract the good amount of flavor from the ingredients what you are using into it. So here it is, gently press it, squeeze it till you can extract some flavor of mint. Outside again, as I said, it's too high temperature today, it's a real hot, and so definitely you feel like having something real great. And again, quarantine, so you don't have much of ingredient. You can make with different flavors available in the market. Since I had green apple over here, so I preferred that. So now you can see the mint has already been muddled, and you can see the lime also has been pressed. Now along with this, I'm going to keep this over here. Now I'll be adding a bit of green apple syrup. It's already sweet, so I'll balance it with a little bit of honey to it. Honey again in this summer really gives you good energy, so I'm going to use honey. You can use powdered sugar also, sugar syrup also, of your choice. So I had honey, so I'll be using honey. I feel so I'll be using little bit of more syrup into it. And now I'll be adding this with the lime juice. Here it is. I have used the entire one medium size lime. I have squeezed it and I have removed the juice. Here it is. Before adding the other ingredients, I'll just with this stirrer I'll try to just mix the things, so you get a good amount of flavor in this. So already you can see I have mixed. Now with this I am going to make half a glass full of ice. Here you can see the ice. Ice you can use a good amount, decent amount, so that it gives you the coolness. Also maintains the temperature of the ingredients what we have used it. So I'll be putting ice into this. Here I am done with ice. Now the next thing is I'll be topping this with soda water. You can also use lemonade, Sprite, drink of your choice. In case you are using that, see to it that you balance the sugar part, because it already has the sugar in it. So I am using soda water. I'll be see now the fizz what it has come. Lovely fizz it is. I am done with my soda. Here I am putting again my stirrer, garnishing bit with mint. Already you can see the model mint over here. I have just made a slit into this, and here I am going to place it on the glass, and here my drink is ready. Cheers, hope you enjoy it. Cheers.